Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your CAD interactive. First, understand that interactivity transforms a static page into a dynamic experience for your visitors. This means they can do more than just read. They can click, submit, and explore. We will cover adding various elements like forms and buttons, which are fundamental for engaging your audience. These simple additions can significantly enhance your site's functionality and user appeal, making it much more effective. Next, let's focus on forms and buttons, which are crucial for direct interaction. You can easily add a contact form to gather emails or messages from your visitors, typically found under the form element. For buttons, you have several actions: link to another page, open a file, or smoothly scroll to a specific section on your site. Remember to clearly label your buttons so users know exactly what to expect when they click, guiding them effectively through your content. Now, let's explore embeds and widgets to bring dynamic content onto your CAD. You can embed videos from popular platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, making your site more visually engaging. Audio players are also simple to integrate, perfect for sharing podcasts or background music. For more advanced features, the embed element allows you to paste custom code, enabling social media feeds, booking widgets, or even interactive maps, expanding your site's capabilities significantly. Finally, here are some advanced tips to refine your interactive CAD site. Consider using anchor links to create seamless, single-page navigation, allowing users to jump to specific sections with a single click. It is absolutely vital to test every interactive element, from forms to buttons, across different devices before publishing. This ensures everything works as intended. Always prioritize a clear user experience with intuitive calls to action, guiding your visitors effortlessly through your interactive content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.